Hey everyone, welcome macOS Genius on the YouTube channel along with Sifu Techs. Today we're going to go through the troubleshooting of deleting a Facebook page profile. This is so overwhelming that I figured I'd make a video of it and share with you everyone. So let's go ahead and bring up this page I want to delete. So this is one I want to delete, the VIP Lux Rides. It's another rideshare in your states. From here, you want to select on the profile. You want to make sure you select on that specific profile, or else you might be deleting accidentally your Facebook page. So right here, you want to select on the top right with your profile. You want to select on settings and privacy. You want to select on settings right up here. And then on the next page, we're just going to go ahead and select under Account Center, which is on the left side underneath the word Meta. Once we go over there, you will just click there just randomly in the area. Now here you want to select on your personal details. It will be the same thing as your profiles listed there, except personal details is what you want because that's the specific profile you want to delete. Once you select that, you just go over through the information. You select on account ownership and control. You want to do memorization or deactivation or delete. I want to do that, delete. So I select that. Now you want to select on which one do you want to delete, the VIP Lux Experience Rides. And then from here, it's just asking you, are you sure you want to? So I just select delete additional Facebook profile. I don't really use it. I used to do a lot of rides, but not anymore. So you want to select on continue. And then from here, you have to give it a reason. Technically, this does not relate to anything. So I just picked the very bottom one, but you're welcome to pick any of the other ones if you like, if it makes you better. So you hit continue. And then from here, it's like, are you sure you want to get rid of? Oh, I'm like, oh my gosh, just stop bothering me. Just get it deleted. So you just hit continue. Now just, again, more information. It's going to delete anything with Messenger, anything with your posts, anything else. If you want to download a copy of all this stuff for your personal use or needs, you select the bottom one, download info, but we're just going to hit continue. And then we're going to put in your password. So I use one password to fill in my password. So I have too many passwords, too many accounts. So let me put in my password here, which is all great encrypted. So there it is. Hit continue. And then it says, are you sure you really want to delete this? Because it's going to take up to 30 days. If you want to reactivate it and so forth. I want to delete profile. So now it's deleted. There it is, it's gone. So now to double check, you go to the top right corner, you select on the bubble, and then you can see VIP Lux Rise is not there. Thanks, subscribe, appreciate it.